Irish News Young Newsreaders project was developed to introduce a new generation to the power of news. News is such a big part of school life, and the focus of the project really is to, I suppose, introduce young people to what is happening in the world around them, whilst also developing key skills such as reading, writing and listening.
Good morning, Primary 4.
Good morning,
Where are the numbers on the page, boys and girls?
At the top, in the top corner.
Why do you think they're not maybe in the middle or anywhere? Why are they usually in the same place, kind of in every other page?
So you can always know what the page number you're on.
Exactly, so it's handier. It's handier, isn't it? So it's an order. Very good. When I was your age, do you think I was better at talking or listening?
Listening?
Talking. I was the wee chatterbox. The teacher always says to me, and that Kelly, I have to chat, told me to be quiet and to listen more. And I didn't understand until I became a teacher myself. And then I had lots of Annette Kellys. Talk. But I love talking. But it's equally as important to talk as it is to listen. Why? Why is it important? It's good to talk, but it's also very important to listen.
Because when you're listening, you might hear something new that you've never heard before.
Some children, it's very difficult to get them to read anything, so you're always encouraging them as teachers to read. So some children are just so excited when we get the newspaper and they will read it. So I always say, just read, no matter what you're reading.
There been any part of the paper that is your favourite, that you enjoyed reading?
Can I say about my favourite part?
I would love to hear about your favourite part.
It's this part here where I like reading my Conlon wants another crack after early life in the week.
Okay, what page is that?
It's the last page.
The back page. That's my daddy's favourite page, because he likes to see if his team's won. Okay, so Conlon wants another crack at it after agonising defeat. Okay, so boys and girls, this is a very, very important line, because there we have Michael Conlon. Who loves Michael Conlon?
He's an Irish boxer fighter, and he wanted to lift his first heavyweight title at the age of 32 against Lee Wood. He knocked him out in the first round, and then in the 11th round, Lee Wood knocked him out and literally fell in between the middle ropes.
Sure, you
and
have
hit
a reporter here. You might as well sign this boy up. Good man yourself, but and that's, you know what? That's brilliant. You love it because that's your skill. That's your.
The atmosphere was electric, to be honest, today in the room, and it was great to see how enthusiastic the children were. I've never seen so many hands raised to take part in discussions, and as I said, they were so enthusiastic about sharing their favourite parts of the paper and their favourite news stories. In particular, we had one very enthusiastic Michael Conlon fan. So it was just brilliant today, and as I say, when you see that young people are really engaging in the project, you know, it's important for us then to see just how well it is working.
I'd love to hear a joke. I think it's time for some jokes.
What's green and sings?
Shrek.
Elvis Parsley. What is a tornado's favourite game to play?
What is a what?
A tornado's
Tornado's favourite game to play.
Twister. What do dogs like on their pizza?
What do dogs like on their pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni!
Why don't dogs drive cars?
Why do dogs not drive cars?
Because it would be too hard to find a barking spot. I was 6, afraid of 7.
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Because 6, 8, 9.
Oh my goodness, 6, 8, 9, that is a clinker. It is my hope that the children will gain a great sense of confidence by taking part in this project. I hope they learn lots of skills of reading, writing, talking and listening, and learn a love of traditional media, getting their hands on the newspaper and generating discussions within their classrooms and in their homes as well.
great for the boys and girls to actually have a physical copy of a paper. It just shows that we have to explore our learning tools through lots of different mediums, and having that paper physically in their hands where they can use their highlighter, they can highlight key vocabulary then that they can implement in that work, and that's different strategies then that they can then implement into their everyday learning in the classroom.